Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri upop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ayang hi.
Suam mem ta. Ngalih ngatiang bat mai ceka bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo sethleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Hadian mak sarkar kalakhang kikalihe banyai lingba ka jingking damsan hapung omnyam ka sarkar jela lingba ka tanat PWD hakhlai tarik ujembang aja panriau kalap lipat ba yak surok omnyam bypass baya ka jingking kablang step sna thamai kaba penyeso eka snong nongsder syak surok ba GS road khamaneng ka jingking damsan haka jinglot kabakot arpulai klur tengka ya kabalamang pisa lingba ka special assistant to state capital investment yakni surok lapli ribbon na usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba kami yaktanat PWD roads uba Prestun Tensong Renggat kajing sakhilang UMLA ke Umroy constituency uba daman ba lamarie u commissioner and secretary katanat PWD u Sanjay Goyal u chief engineer ka PWD uba WR Lingdo ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasils ka kong RM Kurba ka additional deputy commissioner ka Ribhoy district ka kong Balakan Tiorani pat kiwe ki he opsar ka sarkar jela tajing snai ka surong mantaki kali he nadu ki bus ki truck kilayo banung syapo nong ba Shillong klem da penan kamsyu banyak kelan nakasurok Umroy bypass.
And I once again thank our Deputy CM for having this vision to have this alternate connectivity. During this widening of the road and construction of the road and their support to this project, and I'm sure this is going to bring an additional connectivity to the MIDC.
Ada begini program ro nangil sukle sign sila ki kam ki jam ki jong pi ki sem ki jong pi hoy kat kini ki por ki si ki blade ki bus ki nak super ki truck ki heavy loaded vehicles mo ki klem yo so reban ki klem yo so ban let no new surok ka por ka lakta ka jinglot jingsep yo malik ro yagi tu ki kali lene ki kali ki motor ki kali he lene ki boss kala kham lut so namar ha jaka ban le nane ban po Shillong ni hap pendon kam yo ni surok bypass ter kumne ban le na morong keneng ban po Shillong ban kit kita kitiar kita rene ki boss pat ki bon be ki yeng hangte hapo dam sa hangte namar bele ka daw kolong ba kimlong sore ban yait ngane ka jingking namar kadon ka jing thot igane ka jingking lene ka lakut ya ka snem lene ka warranty ka jong ka kumala ai ka company na do ki por manswan ne mandai tengah kene ka por nga so ban ai kublei ye deputy chief minister jongi ka jing yo i jingai ka jong i bat ka government ka jong i kila penmi ya kene ka jingking kana ban sok kini ki bus lene ki kali he ki heavy loaded vehicle ban yait na uni usurok nane sangmat nga tarai ki basro ki kalakam sok baniat ki kaliher rasulat bat kamtam kate ka ISBT ka jongi kanamlong sore ka bakenja kanlong no ka bahui hui nado nane sakmat dalalat yo ni ujingking yo ni surok namakat kini ki por ki bladek ni i ka ISBT ka jongi ro hoy ngi sotho ka jakayeng jong ki bus ki wan ki per ki state ki jela tambah kalong kenja no namar ba umlong rebaniat tementa ngiker mer scam ni sakmat kan long functional ba but ngas kan long functional ba but sa kawero ngayos nyo ka government kamudra no iya kan ka DTO office ro sine siya po building jong ka SBT Try kum tahi kimurra no ya ka DTO office siya kani hapok ay ISBT building. Tengah so ban ay kublay sar Preston Tensong iblayo ijngay bat ke department ke jong i bala ay uni jingking dan ne sakmar ka long kayat kayeng ka basok badiro ngaso ban ay kublay saro ya bat lembat ka department ke jong i hapo ka constituency ro la bonba ki jingerap ngingalayo naga PWD department hal yang kisurok kelenti kesengkeng hoy ki basa ki trash nong ki tip ha tanah pedang jong pi bon pim tip da pila ayat pila awan sa po kumro constituency pinilong ba naga jingerap jong deputy chief minister jong i badai minister jong ka PWD ila era bon bayain namanta ka surok kelenti sengkeng ki internal road hapok isnong kita maso panay kublero isa Preston Tensong bay la era yangi bat ginang criminal scam so bahaot hagajing imbru nang yo ngimhun ginang kwa so nang yo nang kwa tangi criminal scam ka propsal ngilabo ta hagajing pejeng isar hagajing peniai ka jong i ngatrai in sa pendiyo bang sakatukat ni kilometer ka sanction na banta ka constituency ka jongi waliro ngam kren ta na banta ka constituency ka jongi nganong bay habarok away ka ni ka jalla ka jongi ngila ihi ka jing trekam jong ka PWD department ka jing elam lenti jongi sa Preston Tensong ba kala ya trebha bat la bonba ki kambha dan ki kam development haliang kalenti ka sengken bingilayo i ya kata ngimla ban len ki khamat la jong baroro pi ki surok ki bangim poy perkhat nano sono na kanu ka jaka kanu ka snong ki mi ki surok lapo jat ki surok kadai hi naga jing tre sitom jong ka department jong sir haga jing ilam lenti jong isa Preston Tensong.
I think almost 2 years now we were not able to allow the commercial vehicles to ply over the main check dam bridge due to so many reasons and recommendations made by the experts and the technical teams. So on the basis of that, we have to do the restriction. During the course of the restriction, a lot of requests, a lot of complaints reached to the government from different channels, requesting the government to find out alternative, to find out ways and means, and also to make sure that the traffic movement towards Shillong or outside Shillong should be to the nearest distance like before. So on the basis of that, we were trying to find out ways and means, and ultimately we identified that the temporary solution has to be created, and we decided to sanction this alternate bridge and also approach road, at least to shorten the burden of the stakeholders across the state. So friends, I'm so happy today. I think PWD has created a record that the project has started last year only. It's almost 12 months now. Today we are going to inaugurate this alternate approach, and I'm so thankful to the executive engineer of Omsning Division along with his team for being able to complete this project before time. And I would also like to add, there are so many similar projects which we would like to make sure that the completion is on or before time always. Kiperlok baik kane ka jing play ka jong ya une u jing king kan long ka jing kerku kam tam ya ki tu ki stakeholders ki ba hap ban ya na kane ka jaka man kasngi ki ba kit ya ki jing kit ki essential commodities but ki we ki bangi juong ki commercial vehicles nadu la syai kasngi na kaliang jong EDC Shillong ila issue ya katukan notification hakaba labatay benia ki ki jat kali ki bala banya na kani kajaka na kermen scam ba ki stakeholders kin burom ya kani ka notification kenang ban like kanu kajing jia kabas ngosi kabaka kerparu ya baro ki stakeholders ngau ba ban burom ya kajing penbej na kaliang ki traffic police jongi na boro arliang ribhoy bat kumju na East Khasi Hills kin penbit kin penbiang ya kalenti kayat kayeng kenang bakan long kabasuk kabasngan batru ngin na bekenu ya ki jingjia ki bas ngausi na syukwa ru ban pentip ang ni bana kaliang joka government hakabedei bat karu sektor kombalaong i MLA badon burom jongi hangni ka investment ngila ai ka bapun hadu kata-kata tang hapo ka light hui trik jong kani ka financial year ka bladep ka bengi ong ka financial year ar hajar ar pusan ar pun riu ngilala ban ai sanction na kabenta kisrok hakeleng saudong jong ke jela ke jongi om duna ya ka ar hajar sauspa klur tengka kaba menta ngin sasdang no shen ban implement ban pentreka ar hajar klur tengka kadai na ka state plan na ka state fund ar hajar nrius aspa anrup way klur na ka CRF batru kumbasispa lai poklur tam kadai na ka RIDF nga klem batay ya ki way pat ki project ki bangi ong ki EAP project ki bangi yo sanction na ki way pat ki external aided program ki jongi nga kaya thu pi ya kani tang ya ka project ka bangi ay sanction na ka state plan ka jongi leng bajong ka jela Meghalaya tinga kermen scam bakani ka ar hajar saus pa klur ka bangin pentrei kam menta ka financial year ar pun riu ar punyo ngin yo i ya ka jingkela jong ka jela Meghalaya jongi barok kawe ha ka leng saudong ki snong ki thao bat ki jingdon kam ki babun sertap ki banging yo i dengan scam badakani ka sanction bat ki sanction ki bengidang ai ter kanlong ka jing mentoy ya ka jela Meghalaya jongi barok away te hakabedei bat kanika permanent solution ya kasurok na umyam hadu ashlong u commissioner secretary jongi umastan Sanjay Goel ulade batay bangil nakaliang joka state PWD roads ngila IT haka NHIDCL ba kin pentrei ya kanika project nang ne na po umyam kaba kentup nado nang tay na junction nang katay ka flyover hado ang tay Shillong ngila don ka meeting arsin laisin haka bangi penbet kumno ban penbit pan penbiang ya kanika approach sa Shillong ka jongi de kadon ka bangilay penbet kaway kalong ka 4 lane kaway ka 2 lane bat bakan long ru ka greenfield den ray ngimpat la banpoy siya ka decision ka ba final na marngindang ya siyong meeting biang hakas ni katayaw ka banwan na kasaginungkong bat ka office jong ka NHIDCL hang tei ha Delhi. Tinga kermen scam baladangila. Ban poi siya ka conclusion nga kermen scam bangin la ban penpoi ya kene ka approach nang ne na po umyam siya Shillong da ka furlin la da jia amla da ka furlin ru at least da ka standard doblin ka babit ka babiang kenang ba ka approach kan long ka ba mentoy ya kinong song snong jo ka jela jongi bat kham tam ban poi sya kan nong ba jong ka jela mikla jongi dengan garamet scam ba kiniki aka ki bangin penbai kan long ka jing mentoy ya ka state ka jongi barok away bat ka banga kerpat kalong kibor snong kibor taus ngau bha bania tre rengkat lang bat ngi ka sorkar kenang ba ngin la ban pen urlong ya kijing angnu jongi baro. The executive engineer of Umsning division, while passing from that junction towards this bridge, I could see that we need further improvement of that junction. So I would request the executive engineer to take necessary action immediately and make sure that this improvement is done, maybe if possible before the end of this month. With these few words, once again, I thank you all. But nga kermen scam bakane ka jingpli ka jongi ya kani ka approach but ya kani ka jingking kan long ka jing mentoy ya ki pai ba jong ka jela migla jongi baro khoble yepi.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.